Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This time it is about an action camera mounting which I'm using for my KTM Adventure 250, the 2025 series. I'm making this video especially for people who are looking for an action camera phone for this series of bike, the 2025 KTM Adventure series, be it 250, 390, 390X and 390R. I've tried different mounts on this KTM and this is the best mount which I've come across for action cameras. For my Insta360 X5 360 camera, the mounting is simple and easy. I mount with an Insta360 X5 motorcycle mounting, and then I just have the 70 centimeter selfie stick from Insta360. I don't use a 120 centimeter stick because it's taller and there will be wind affecting that. But this one I got it for 1,800, the Insta360 70 centimeter selfie stick. And so I'll show you with for my Insta360 camera I mount with this and then use a stick and everything is fine. I can easily get the display of the motorcycle, as well as it goes on top of the windshield, which so that the windshield will not arrest the view and totally will be a very good angle for the Insta360 camera. With the Insta360, the 70 centimeter stick and the bike mount is good for the whole purpose. But with the DJI Osmo Action 6, it was not the case because it's not a 360 camera and the lens is just sitting down on one place and you have to make sure that you get the angle properly. So I tried using this with the Insta360 X5 mount. The issue with the Insta360 X5 mount is it's not flexible. It doesn't go up and down, it just rotates. So you can have a lot of flexibilities while mounting with the selfie stick. And with the Ulanzi one, which I've used, not much flexibility and there is no grip. This is the worst purchase I've ever made. The Ulanzi action camera mount I got from Amazon from 1,600. Total waste of money. I used it in my Spiti trip. It was not, latching on properly. The mounting is not good at all, and I just almost lost the camera. But I just wanted to try it again and again to make sure that my 1,600 rupees is not wasted, but again and again just proving that it is wasted. So yeah, this also can't be used. So while I was having a live stream today, I couldn't make out which is the best option and is there an option as well, because there are not many good mounts available. So I got this Telesin mount as well, the Telesin claw mount. Very flexible, a lot of flexibility. See how flexible it is. And I use it for when I need it for much flexible mounting. Otherwise, I use the Insta360 X5 mount for Insta360 X5. So with this one, I use different, like I tried out different scenarios using the flexibility of this mounting. And now the DJI Osmo Action 6 perfectly well. The angle is perfect like the Insta360 X5. I can make the viewer see the display, and it goes above the windshield and it works perfectly well now. So if I go live or POV live or just shoot videos, vertical, horizontal, this is the best option. And I personally feel that this is a good option for you guys to go in the Telesin claw mounting and the Insta360 70 centimeter selfie stick, this one costing around 1,600, this one is 1,800. And I have to stress one more fact, that this is made possible. I can mount it here, made possible only by these Sana handlebar races. You can see the Sana handlebar races. Once I add this races, you can see the handlebar is slightly botched up. Unlike, without the handlebar races, this will be sitting in here. So this gap difference has made it possible for me to mount an action camera or any mobile mount right here. So if you want to have this angle, you need to go for the Sana handlebar races, the angle handlebar races from Sana for the KTM 390 series at 2025 first. So that actually gives you the leverage first, and then you go for the Telesin claw mount and the 70 centimeter selfie stick from Amazon. I will leave all the three products links in the description. So friends, if you're looking to mount your camera on your new KTM Adventure series, these are the best products available in the market. I hope this video helps for people who are looking to shoot videos on your bike. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.